Alright, so here we are at the new house. There's the garage and the high school. So let's walk in here really quick. Alright, so it measures, I think 20 and a half feet deep, 18 and a half wide. So it's a little smaller than what I have now. And as you can see, there's pretty much nothing in here. I'm starting from scratch. Except for that guy up there in the corner. They put in a mini split, so that's a 12K unit. So I got heat and AC for 12K. Heat-wise, it won't be sufficient, but the AC, I got a mini split in mine right now, and it works great. But anyway, these walls are bare cinder blocks, so got to get some white paint on there to reflect the light. We're gonna have to put in some more outlets. A lot more outlets, and we'll just have to make use of this space. I mean, right off the bat, the car will go over here, motorcycle lift, and then whatever I can fit here, and that's it. So, pretty basic two-car garage. And of course, there's no lighting. There's just these freaking weird light bulbs up here, and then you got a spotlight here, so that's all got to go. And whatnot. And then, old school concrete nails all over the place. They're everywhere. So I'm going to have to cut those off with a cut-off wheel, smooth out the walls, patch any holes, and then slap up some block filler. These walls are very porous, so it'll probably take 5-6 gallons, 2 coats, 3 coats of this block filler, and then top coat it with like a gloss white. I like walls that are white for maximum brightness, and then, I'll probably paint the ceiling as well. And then there's a little attic or whatever. I'll probably put a pull-down staircase and see what I can do as far as storage is up there. So that thing is way too small, so I'll probably patch that up and then put something over here in this area. So that's that, but a nice big driveway. I have 4 kids, and one's going to be driving soon. We're going to have tons of cars, and I like that there's 2 lanes here, and it's probably 3 or 4 cars deep, so that'll be nice to not play musical cars like crazy. All right, going in the house here. Let's just check this out. So this was added on, and then here we're going behind the garage. They put a bathroom here. So I was hoping one day I can just blow the back of the garage out and extend it way into the yard, because the yard is pretty deep, but there's a bathroom here. So yeah, that's not going to happen anytime soon, but let's go out in the backyard. All right, so this is what's awesome, man. This yard, it's almost a half-acre piece of property here, so I got a lot of space. And, the only neighbor that way is the school, which is quiet most of the time except for football games, but that's cool. Can't even really see that house. And then, just this neighbor. So, anyway, looks like I'm going to have to get a freaking tractor. This is a lot of grass, even though I have 2 boys. Man, this is a lot of cutting. And the front yard is huge, too. So, all right, so here we are in the basement. The basement was just remodeled, wood-burning fireplace down here, and upstairs my daughter's room is going to be over there. There's a bathroom. But anyway, what I want to show here is here's the utility room, and you can see I lost some space in the garage, but I got a lot of space down here. So look at all this right here. I think I can set up a nice little workbench, a little work area, and do some stuff down here, and even store some tools down here. So that goes way down here as well. So you get the idea. It's just, I'll clean this up in here. Storage, lighting, probably a workbench so my son and I can mess around. He's getting into tinkering with stuff, so we'll probably do a little workshop down here and mess around. But yeah, this is, I didn't have this in my old house. I had a basement with a utility room, but it was probably a quarter of the size, and it was full of just stuff. So here's a decent space I can make work with something for sure. Might as well give you a tour of the rest of the house. So this is the basement. Like I said, this will be my daughter's room, my oldest daughter. She's going to be a freshman next year. So this is a bedroom with an egress window for fire or escape or whatever. And then in here's a bathroom. So yeah, bathroom, you know, typical stuff. I know you guys don't care about the bathroom. Just probably put my son's desk, computer desk down here, 3D printers and whatnot, you know, to tinker. Getting ready to set up the network in here. We're gonna go with badass Wi-Fi stuff because I'm sick of horrible Wi-Fi. All right, that's outside. This is gonna be our kitchen. And this is our kitchen table for now because at our place now we have a granite countertop on top of a wall, so we don't even have a table. Here's the kitchen, definitely like 80s, 90s. We will remodel that at some point. It'll be good for now, for a year or two or whatever. Here's the living room. So wood burning fireplace, awesome. Curl up in the winter there, read a book, sip on some booze. Nice bay window here. You can see my wife has her rainforest set up. And over here, bathroom, just remodeled. So that's cool. I don't have to do that, right? All right, bedroom number 1. This is the biggest one. It's gonna be the boys' room because they're gonna be sharing it. This is a 4-bedroom house. My youngest daughter is gonna go in here. So a little smaller room, but you know. But man, this yard, dude. Love this yard, man. Can play freaking volleyball back there, baseball, football, whatever. It's just huge. And that shed over there is like 10 by 12. It's a decent size, but it's pretty in rough shape. I mean, there's holes in it and stuff, but it'll work for a little while. And it looks like it can fit a riding mower. So that's good. I'll probably have to get one of those pretty soon. And then this is going to be our room, my wife and I. This will be our room. It's like the smallest room, I think. But whatever, dude. I just come in here and pass out, right? So that's that. That's a quick house tour. Let me give you let me show you the front yard too. So the front yard's big too. So you can see, you know, in my area, a ½ acre's big. I mean, you know, 1% of homes around here have ½ acre lots or bigger or whatever. Usually everything's a lot smaller. So just to give you an idea, look at the house across the street. Our lot is as wide as those 2 houses and definitely way deeper. So basically this lot is double than those. I mean, those are probably 1/4 acre or smaller and this is half. So that's cool, man. I love it. So you could always expand, you know, if we ever need to remodel or, you know, run out of room. Look how I mean, I could push this stuff way back. That's a possibility, but not for a long time. So anyway, quick tour. You can see with the garage, I'm starting from scratch and losing a little bit of space, but I'm gonna make it work. I always do. I've worked with much less. I remember I lived in California and I was working on the Chevelle. I was working in the indoor parking garage. So I didn't even have a garage. I just literally was in a parking garage working on stuff. So it does, whatever, man. It'll work.